Hello, this is Tanya with TK Sewing Machine and Repair, and today I have a Singer 201, and this is the first 201 that I have worked on. I have two more coming up eventually. But these are fantastic machines. I've been, watching posts on Facebook and so forth, and these seem to be the most coveted of all Singer machines except for the featherweights. It's a really, really pretty machine. Its decals are in pretty good shape. A little bit of loss on the bed, but not too bad. Um, so the 201 has a switch for the light right here. And this is how you adjust the stitch length. All the way up is reverse, all the way down is your longest stitch. You can also lock it in by moving this, and you can lock in the stitch like that. So this machine has a potted motor, which means that the motor shaft drives the machine. It's probably one of the reasons that this machine is so strong and how it was made. But great, great machine. Rewired the plug, rewired the motor, put a new cord and pedal on here. The machine works great. So, like we've been doing with some of our other machines, and most recently is when I test them now. I test them on leather, and let me tell you, this machine has worked the best so far. This is 3 layers of leather. Okay, broke the thread. So this is just regular thread, and if you were sewing leather, you would use a thicker thread. This is also, this is not a leather needle on here. This is a regular needle, and it is sewing through 3 layers of leather. I think this machine could do much more than that too. So, great machine, probably one of the most powerful that I've ever tested here. So, if this machine ends up in your home, I hope you enjoy it.